The Audio-Technica ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array Microphone. An ideal solution for conference rooms, boardrooms, and meeting spaces large and small. Use one or more of the ATND1061 microphones to capture every person speaking in a room with clear, natural audio that reduces distracting environmental sounds. With its voice activity detection technology, the microphone discerns between voices and unwanted noises. Plus, exclusion zones can be set to avoid known sources of unwanted noise. The ATND1061 has 6 individual output channels. Collectively, these channels can be configured with up to 32 user-defined microphone pickup zones, providing the flexibility to cover a wide variety of room sizes and meeting types. Output Channel 1 can be configured with 16 user-defined coverage zones, in which the microphone beam will track the voice of a moving or seated speaker. Coverage zones are helpful in picking up non-priority or unplanned participants. Output Channels 2 through 6 can be configured with 16 user-defined priority zones, in which the voices of seated or moving participants will be given priority over those in coverage zones, ensuring that a room's known participants are picked up by the microphone. Across all output channels, the microphone's orthogonal beams focus on particular points in space, preventing the pickup of unwanted noise. The ATND1061 is 22.8 centimeters wide and only 3 centimeters deep, roughly the size of a Wi-Fi access point. It mounts flush or on the surface of drop or hard ceilings. In open architecture spaces, a standard VESA mount can be used. Room configuration, beam setup, and other settings are handled through the user-friendly Digital Microphone Manager software application. For integrations without external digital signal processing, the ATND1061 features powerful onboard DSP, including auto mix, acoustic echo cancellation, noise reduction, automatic gain control, and 4-band EQ. An included IR remote allows users to quickly mute the microphone, recall presets, and toggle the power save mode. Offered as the ATND1061 DAN, the microphone is Dante-enabled with 2 network ports to fit any installation requirement. In single cable mode, Dante audio and microphone control data are sent together over a single standard category cable. In split mode, Dante audio and microphone control data are sent separately over 2 category cables. Plugins are available for popular control systems. The ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array Microphone is a state-of-the-art professional conferencing solution for meetings of any size, from the innovator in high-performance sound design, Audio-Technica. To learn more about the ATND1061 Beamforming Ceiling Array Microphone and download installation guides and software, visit audiotechnica.com.